Xinyuan Leo Household Products Company Limited was established in 2013 in Xingyuan City, Guangdong. It has a 16,000 square meters standard production workshop. Just 40 minutes from Guangzhou Airport, it's convenient for visits and air shipping. Our factory aims to transform living spaces and specializes in various innovative household products like outdoor and indoor window blinds and shades, window curtains and drapes, and curtain accessories, emphasizing design, functionality and quality. Offer one-stop intelligent home decoration solutions for individuals, enterprises, and engineering projects alike. Whether it's a modern apartment, a luxurious villa, a corporate office, retail shop, or outdoor spaces, Leo has the perfect window covering solution to create a truly remarkable living or working environment. As long as you have ideas, we are here to bring your vision to life with our customized design solutions. We have obtained certifications from renowned international bodies such as TUV and SGS and adhere to the ISO standards. In addition, our products have obtained CE, FCC, IC, ROSE, UL Green Guard, OEKO Tech Standard 100, REACH SVHC certifications. Hold multiple domestic and international invention patents, highlighting our innovative capabilities. These certifications are a testament to our unwavering dedication to quality and industry standards. Mainly targeting the USA, Canada, and Europe markets, building long-term partnerships and a good overseas reputation. We look forward to collaborating with you and creating beautiful, living spaces together.